Do you feel like people are too quick to judge and are not able to see the real you? It's probably because they are not getting a good first impression. And by the end of this video, you should be able to figure out what is going wrong. First impressions are powerful and can significantly influence how others perceive you. And there are a few things that can destroy your first impression in a matter of seconds. Avoid these at all costs, and you will see a significant change in your life. Number 1, talking only about yourself. Engaging in conversation is a two-way street, yet many people fall into the trap of dominating the discussion by only talking about themselves. This behavior can make you appear self-centered and uninterested in others. Instead, show genuine interest in the person you're speaking with. Ask questions, listen actively, and find common ground. Remember, people appreciate being heard and valued. Number 2, interrupting others. Interrupting someone while they are speaking is not only rude, but also signals that you believe your thoughts are more important than theirs. It disrupts the flow of conversation and can make the other person feel disrespected. Practice patience and let others finish their thoughts before you respond. This shows that you respect their opinions and fosters a more respectful and engaging dialogue. Number 3, constantly checking your phone. In today's digital age, it's easy to become distracted by our devices. However, constantly checking your phone during a conversation is a major turnoff. It sends a message that you are not fully present or interested in the interaction. Make a conscious effort to put your phone away and focus on the person in front of you. This small gesture can make a significant difference in how others perceive your attentiveness and respect. Number 4, negative body language. Nonverbal cues play a significant role in communication. Crossing your arms, avoiding eye contact, or displaying a disinterested facial expression can quickly turn people off. These behaviors suggest that you are closed off or uninterested in the conversation. Instead, maintain open and positive body language. Smile, make eye contact, and use gestures that convey engagement and enthusiasm. Positive body language helps build rapport and creates a welcoming atmosphere. Click on the link at the end of the video to get some tips on how to project positive body language. Number 5, being fake or insincere. People can often detect when someone is being fake or insincere, and it can be a significant turnoff. Pretending to be someone you're not or exaggerating your qualities can make others distrust you. Authenticity is key to forming genuine connections. Be yourself and let your true personality shine through. Share your real thoughts and feelings, and don't be afraid to show vulnerability. When people see that you are genuine, they are more likely to feel comfortable and connected with you. Improving your social network and self-image begins with being mindful of how you present yourself to others. Avoiding these 5 behaviors can significantly enhance your ability to connect with others. By showing genuine interest, respect, and authenticity, you can create positive and lasting impressions, paving the way for stronger and more rewarding relationships.